In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password for your PrimeXBT account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in primexbt.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official PrimeXBT website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now in case you have forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box. Now you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply go ahead and type in your email address and now click on the Reset button. Now you will need to enter the PIN code that was sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from PrimeXBT which contains your PIN code. Simply enter this code into the given PIN box and now you will immediately be allowed to enter your new password. Now simply type in your desired new password followed by your new password once again to confirm it. Finally click on the Reset button and now you will be logged into your account on PrimeXBT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on PrimeXBT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.